this episode, I get a new car. Zach gets a new car.
This is the reveal.
Woo! We found out that, Zach and I being two large guys, there were some problems. So I am here to fix that today. This seat, like I said, is a completely fixed back design. For the quick release, we're gonna be using NRG's Gen 2.5. For the steering wheel, we are gonna use NRG's new reinforced line. The question that really matters, is it any more fat kid friendly? Let's see. Whew. Okay. We're in. Now the question is, can we get back out? Okay. Okay. You can do it. Okay. I mean, I still don't think that necessarily is how it's supposed to go, but we're a lot better than we were.
Good.
Here goes nothing, guys. Wish me luck. I ended up getting 4 coats of paint on the car. Check it out. The coverage is excellent. It is very orange peely, but all in all, pretty solid. It's got some gloss to it. Obviously that's gonna come out a lot better once we can sand it down.
Except today night.
That's shiny.
It is shiny. It is definitely still orange peely, but it's gray and it's shiny. And it's not red, maroon, silver, yellow. What else was there?
Peeling decals, metal, Bondo, primer.
Lots of different.
Time to pull this masking tape off. See how I did.
Not bad.
And it's a race car. And here she is. The Boost Brothers budget race car. I think I've lost a few years of my life over the past week trying to get this thing done, but it's as close to done as we can get it right now. It still needs a bath and a couple other little odds and ends, but we got to get it loaded up and get it to the track. Maiden voyage. But yeah, it turned out really good. I got the end plates all made up out of carbon. Those have been matte cleared as well. All that's left to do now is get it bolted to the car and see if it looks ridiculous or badass. There it is. One complete Racewing installation. Today we are going to continue work on my DIY front splitter for my 944 race car. Here we have it. 5-inch extension, AB marine plywood with resin. We've got our garden edge trim sealing the splitter to the bumper. I don't think it looks too hateful. Today I went out the first session and I popped a head gasket and the motor's pretty well fucked. I'm not too concerned about the engine because, well, this was the last weekend I was gonna use it anyway, but it does suck that I spent all this money for a track weekend and I basically got 2 sessions out of it. With all that preparation work done, it's finally time to stab the engine in the car, and then we get to test fit that intake manifold like a glove. And there we have it, people. The first time the 07K is sitting in my chassis. It looks damn good if I do say so myself, especially with the Gallardo header. We have the Lamborghini Gallardo header here. We have the 5-cylinder 07K sitting in the car. I welded on a V-band flange to the end of the header, and now I need to figure out how the exhaust is going to come out of the car. This stuff frays really bad at the end, so I like to kind of roll it back under itself where I finish it. And this is all hidden inside the fender, so it's not really a big deal either. I've got my fender exit bezel installed. Time to see if this thing fits and if all this hard work was worth it. There is the finished exhaust, man. I'm really pleased with how that turned out. From a minute 31.5 lap to a minute 26.1. So we gained 5.5 seconds a lap just off the engine swap. I know the dyno numbers weren't, you know, anything earth-shattering, but 5 seconds a lap is ridiculous. And that was on the one clean lap I had where I didn't have people passing me left and right because I graduated to B group and people are a lot faster than me. Here comes Alan. It just sounds awesome.